All right, my audience, special greetings to you. I'm actually making this video to help address one or two issues you're having around loading KCT. But meanwhile, before we go into how we can resolve this kind of KCT related issues, refer back to our first video. If you're still having issues communicating your meter, I will check here so you can access that and be able to cover that. Now, today, what we're checking is very easy. Your KCT, as you always hear, is an acronym for Key Change Token. Want to see how you can effectively load your Key Change Token all by yourself without any issue. Now, for you to know whether your meter needs KCT, for this meter brand, just go ahead and key in 116. It displays this. You don't need KCT. So to load your KCT, after vending, you have 4 printouts. Set 1, set 2, set 3, your token proper. They all have 20 digits. So if you key in set 1, this is what it will return. Now when you key in set 2, this is what it will return equally. And when you finally key in set 3, this is what it will return. Then you proceed with loading your card in this manner. I think this address this issue of KCT. And if you want to know whether the KCT is accepted, still go ahead and press this query code 116. It should return this to tell you you're done. You could see 600293 like this. For Kaduna, you could see 600290 if it's Kano. You could see a lot of 600s for Port Harcourt, for Echo. But the most important thing is it has migrated to this. And I believe it will solve your problem. So if you have any difficulty doing this all by yourself, just leave a comment in the comment section, and we would see how we can help you resolve that. Other issues, please do well to comment your meter number, and we'll tell you how you can go about resolving this. If this video is helpful, just go ahead and like it, subscribe, and then toggle on the bell so you can stay updated when we post new content. I think this is all for today. Thank you. To have a lovely day.